We're at NAIA Terminal 4. It is a small domestic airport here in Manila, and it is an early flight. Wade is still falling. Are you still sleeping? Our flight got bumped an hour early, so that means we had to wake up at 5:45. No, 4:45. 4:45. Correct. So we left just before or just after 6 p.m. We made it just in time and still waiting to board. I reckon this is like the worst airport in Manila, given that it's tiny. But I am hungry. The thing is, they actually have plenty of food choices in here, but they're all just sort of pastries and donuts. So we'll figure it out.
At all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call?
Hello, we finally made it. We are just at the van now waiting to get to our hotel. This is our third attempt to get the Coron. And we finally made it. The first time, unfortunately, my dad passed away, so we had to cancel the trip. And the second time was due to COVID. Third time lucky, we made it. We're heading to the hotel. But it's already hot. It's already hot. Coconut juice, fresh buko juice, which, because we're still waiting for our room, thought we'd drink. We'll have some refreshments. I wish it was colder, but okay. We are at Lobster King to have lunch. Our room isn't ready yet, so we thought let's just have some lunch. Rejig the itinerary a little bit because it is quite hot. So I think we missed the boat in terms of hiking up Mount Tapyas. We might have to do that later in the afternoon. So we'll eat first some lobsters just for me because Wade doesn't eat seafood. Go back to the hotel. Hopefully it's ready. Freshen up a little bit and then head on with our day. We got cheese sticks. I love these things. I would make this at home. And see how tiny they are, Wade? Who's gonna try it first? They are indeed cheese pinkies. That's still very hot. I'm very impatient. So it's basically cheddar cheese wrapped in a spring roll wrapper, and the sauce is mayonnaise and ketchup or tomato sauce. Oh, that's still very hot. But I'm stubborn. I'm gonna eat that. You don't really expect much. It's just deep fried fish. Deep fried cheese.
Burning hot though?
Mm-hmm. Oh.
You lied, they're so hot.
What's that?
Tastes cheesy. We're on the islands now, so this is what I'm going to live on for the next 3 days because some of us don't eat seafood. It's a strange flavour.
What do you mean?
It's nice. Maybe it's the chocolate.
It is char grilled for sure.
It's marinated in something. I'm not sure what it is though. It's not
Oh, I can see red oil, so anato could be. Our room is finally ready. That took a bit of time. We are at the Funny Lion. We have the king room. It's very basic. It's actually a bit of... Wade's making a joke.
Everything is lion themed. So the bar is Pride Rock. The restaurant is the
Hunter.
Hunt.
The Hunt.
The Hunt.
And this is a king room. I don't think that is a lion themed. So it's quite a basic room. It's not too big, but it has everything that you need and some. Because everything in the minibar is complimentary, which is actually quite unheard for a relatively mid-price point of a hotel. Location-wise, it is not in Coron town proper, but on the outskirts of it. Everything is pretty much walking distance, but in this heat, you'll probably take a tricycle anyway, which is 25 pesos per person. This room is 24,000. 120 pesos or 627 Australian dollars or 411 USD for the 3 nights that we are here. It is quite practical to stay in the Coron town proper, not only because you can explore the local food and the local town. If you have a package tour, you'll be picked up from your hotel anyway. And you'll only get picked up if you are in a hotel in town. After this, we are going to move to a private island, which Wade cannot wait for. We had a bit of a nap. Now we're ready to hike up Mount Tapyas. That is the best viewing point here in Coron. 210 meters up or about 721 steps. So we're still wearing active wear. Plans have slightly changed since we took a nap. So still going to wear active wear to dinner instead. Come on, Wade.
Let's go.
We're gonna be late for sunset.
I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down. When I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with
I don't care about the sunset at this point. We are taking our time because I am tired. How are you feeling, Wade? You're wet.
Pretty sweaty. It's a lot of stairs.
lately. Can't nobody do it like I can.
600. 121 more to go.
Fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own.
We've made it! Wade's dripping.
I'm dripping. I'm under a constant shower.
It's dripping of sweat. We made it up though, watching the sunset now, which is blinding but very beautiful. There are lots of people here. I wonder if it's going to be easier heading down. The plan is to head straight to dinner, but far out.
We are gross.
We are gross, but I'm hoping to dry up by the time we get down. Take our time heading down because there's no rush. You gotta check this out. I mean, even the view heading up is pretty nice. I will be honest that I couldn't appreciate it as much because I'm just way too tired. But it's refreshingly cool up here too.
That's your reward for going a long way up. You start getting a breeze and it gets a little colder.
I mentioned to Wade heading up here that this is the second highest mountain in Busuanga. He's like,
That's higher.
we found a higher one. And oh my God, can you imagine? Thought we'd share that little nugget that if you climb this, you can say you've climbed the second highest mountain in Busuanga, Philippines. We are at Trattoria. We are at Trattoria, Altrove for dinner. This place is quite popular and it's really quite quaint. We got spaghetti arrabbiata. I wanted pesto, but they don't have it to share, and a pancetta pizza to share as well.
A pizza oven imported from Italy. I'm making things up. It's traditional stone-fired pizza though.
Wade's been practicing his Filipino and he ordered 2 mango shakes and said dalawang mango shake. The ate loved it. Basically, you call any service staff, kuya or ate, and I was just wondering, right? Like, at which point do I stop calling them ate and kuya because half of them probably is younger than me. Yeah, so it's like I don't know. That's what I don't know. I don't know. Hello, there's nothing. Yeah, I've been waiting for this. That's very refreshing. Oh, it's ice cold. I love it. It's very hot, but it's actually starting to cool a little bit. That seems like a lot. Cheers, pizza! Cheers. I like that. I like thin crust. That was all crust though. I didn't taste any pancetta. Let me try again. I like how the olives are minced. Yeah. Okay, time to try the spaghetti arrabbiata, which is Wade's favorite. It's just chili. I can see capsicums though, which is bizarre, but we'll see. I like how the pasta's cooked. That is spicier than I thought.
Spicier than you thought.
I like how the pasta's cooked. We are back in our hotel that was...
Blooper reel.
We are back in our hotel and it is so cold. It feels so nice. It's so refreshing. That dinner was good. I didn't expect a decent Italian place in the island. That was pretty sus, but
That was pretty sus.
I was sus that there would be a decent Italian place in an island, but it's pretty good. What we have to tell you though is make sure that you have ample of cash. Once you get to the airport, you need to pay 200 pesos environmental fee.
Per person.
Correct, in cash. That restaurant was cash only.
Yeah.
And
We're about 50-50 on the
Card.
whether they accept card at restaurants.
where did we go to the accepted card?
Lunch. Lunch they accepted card, dinner they didn't accept.
Oh yeah, the Lobster place, correct. Oh well, because they charge a lot of money, so they should. And then obviously your mode of transportation, which is a tricycle, will also have
The
to
dinner
be...
was more.
Was it?
Yeah.
Then the Lobster.
Yeah.
Huh. Well, there you go. Well, the
There's only one person ate lobster.
Yeah.
Another person just had 100 peso barbecue
barbecue.
skewer. So very cheap date. Very expensive date.
How are you guys liking Coron so far? How do you like Coron so far?
There's a lot of stairs and it's very hot. I'm looking forward to our next step where we're hitting the islands.
Make sure to join us on Instagram and TikTok for daily updates. And you can hold the mic. You can watch our video here for our first day in Boracay and the best beaches in Boracay as well. Stay safe.
More beaches.
Stop.